Before buying a drone, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Loily 2K Drone. Let's kick things off with the Loily drone, priced at just $39.98. This little guy caught my eye because it has that perfect blend of affordability and features. If you want a solid entry-level drone without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about the Loily is its 2K HD camera. This means you can snap decent photos and videos without spending a fortune, and the adjustable angle lets you capture shots from 90 degrees. It's perfect for beginners who want to experiment with aerial photography. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it super easy to take anywhere, fits right in your pocket. You get about 26 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries included, so you can keep the fun going without frequent recharges. Now here's the honest flaw. Some users noted that the camera quality could be better in low-light conditions. Here's the thing though, at this price, it's pretty standard and still delivers good quality for daytime shots. If you're mainly using it for casual fun or family outings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a total beginner or looking for a fun gift. Skip this one if you need professional-grade footage or advanced features. For under $40, you're getting a decent value. Now, if the camera quality is your main concern, let's check out the next option that steps things up. Product number 2, PLEGBLE 4K Drone. Next up is the PLEGBLE drone, coming in at $49.99. I was intrigued by its 4K camera and strong user reviews. If you want clearer images and a better flying experience, this one might be the right choice for you. This drone features an ultra-clear 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning visuals from various angles. The flight time is impressive too. Thanks to 3 batteries, you'll get about 45 minutes in the air, which is perfect for longer adventures. Plus, it's designed with brushless motors for better stability and wind resistance, meaning you can fly it in various conditions without worrying too much. Now, the catch is that some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to control for absolute beginners. But honestly, if you're willing to spend a little time learning, the payoff is huge. You get a lot more bang for your buck with the enhanced features. This is ideal for hobbyists who want to take their drone game to the next level. Skip this if you're looking for something super simple and straightforward. But for $50, you'll find it's a great value for the performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for advanced features. Product number 3, REDRIE 4K Drone. Now let's look at the REDRIE drone, priced at $98.97. I was really impressed by its features, especially for beginners. If you want a drone that's easy to fly with some cool, smart features, this one's worth considering. The 4K UHD camera paired with a 2-axis gimbal means your footage stays smooth and clear, even if you're flying it in slightly windy conditions. You can shoot stunning aerial landscapes or family events, and the convenience of the built-in GPS is a game changer. It helps the drone return home if it strays too far. Plus, with a flight time of up to 45 minutes from 2 batteries, you won't be constantly worried about recharging. However, some buyers found it had a steep learning curve initially. Here's the thing, though, it's a great investment for those willing to put in the effort to learn. The features you gain are well worth it over time. This is perfect if you want a drone that can grow with your skills. Skip this if you're purely after a toy for casual use. At under $100, it's a fantastic choice for both fun and serious flying. Now, if ease of use is what you're after, check out our next pick that's all about simplicity. Product number 4, PLEGBLE PL515. Coming up next is another offering from PLEGBLE, the PL515, available for just $36.54. This one stood out to me because of its features and affordability. If you want a fun, user-friendly drone without spending a lot, this is worth a look. This drone boasts a 4K HD camera and image stabilization, which is fantastic for capturing steady footage. With a total flight time of about 32 minutes thanks to its dual battery system, it's perfect for family outings or weekend adventures. Plus, it's super lightweight, meaning you don't have to worry about FAA regulations. On the downside, some users reported that the flight controls can be a bit sensitive. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a joy to fly, especially for kids or beginners. It doesn't take long to master. This is ideal for families looking for a safe and entertaining drone experience. Skip this if you're looking for advanced technical features. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for casual flying. Now, if you want something even simpler for kids or indoor fun, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Palton Mini Drone. Finally, we have the Palton Mini Drone priced at $39.99. I love this one for its fun features and ease of use. If you're looking for something to entertain the kids or just have a good time, this is definitely worth considering. With its 1080p HD camera and fun flying features like 360 degrees flips, this drone is a blast for indoor and outdoor play. The one-key takeoff and altitude hold make it incredibly user-friendly, so even first-time flyers can enjoy it right away. Plus, you get about 24 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries included, ensuring you're getting plenty of action without constant recharging. But some users did mention that the camera quality isn't as high as the others on this list. While that's true, if fun and ease of use are what you're after, it's still a solid choice for casual flying. This is perfect for families with kids or those who want a straightforward, fun flying experience. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or professional-grade footage. For under $40, it definitely delivers a lot of fun. Alright, that wraps up our list of budget-friendly drones with 4K cameras. So to recap, we have the Loyally drone for beginners, the PLEGBLE for those wanting 4K quality, the REDRIE for a more advanced experience, the PLEGBLE PL515 for families, and the Palton Mini drone for pure fun. Each of these offers something unique, so pick the one that fits your needs best.